Hello, Mr. Vivia. I have to congratulate us for a very good job done. It is very important that we congratulate ourselves for a great job done. We have done very, very well. I think there's something wrong with my live video. The fun is na asama Akufo-Addo kan no yaye omama kan omo anyehu. In 2016 Akufo-Addo say obeye mampani na opese ye citizens are not spectators. Nti ye citizens na ye hwe ne chima no na ye kire say we si wo ha we say we are the real winners of this election. Ye na ye win election no obi aka bia wan win hwe. Omo tewa bibi nkoyi omuntumi nka omo enwini hwe and Ghana for ayade ya adwuma den papa. It is not easy for so many MPs to lose their seats. It is not easy for about 60 MPs to lose their seats. And yet 60 MPs MPs of the ruling government, will be a minister. They have all the resources. TV, they still lost their seats. It is not easy. It is a great job that we have done. We have done very, very well. Yeah, dear Papa. But for that, MPP was going to win easy. And they were going to think that you win elections with freebies. Yeah? 2016, Akufo-Addo wanche obi ahwe. In 2016, Akufo-Addo wanche nyoma wanche obi abibia o. He still won the election with a huge margin. He only promised and he won the election with a huge margin. In 2020, they had all the money to share. They had given free electricity, free water, free education. The ministry is calling you to dash you money. Still, they struggle to win the election. And what Chirao said, Ghanaians are not into the freebies. Ghanaians are only looking for somebody who can fight corruption. That is what it shows. NDC and MPP, they have their core supporters. Where they are, NDC for me, MPP for those ones are there. And then we have the people who vote on issues. They make you who you are. And to those people were splitting because they were confused. And there are the people who believe that 8 years into Moma and Adunko. And yet 3 years I can another election ought to mean 45%. Ought to mean. But for 3 years go 45%. Because when you apart from 3 years I dear Ghana for person or year on one casaka say young one no money here. Young citizens are not spectators. In terms of fighting corruption, he didn't fight nothing. In fact, he spent the 4 years fighting those who are fighting corruption. That's what he did. He spent 4 years fighting those who are fighting corruption. You understand what I'm saying? And you know, it is the people out there on social media. It is Manasseh Azuri. It is Kofi Bento. It is Franklin Kujo. It is the Auditor General, Martin Amidu. These are the people who have caused the MPP to lose. And no one say the omnimo. You see, the issue is that they are pretending as if, oh, we need, oh, problem, you know, look. Move we are, move heavy. Medamin Kasabani is unnecessary. And our banocracy, a room and this for 2008 and 2012. Akufo-Addo the same we are, Jendia Attica. And about the Obia. Donald Trump crossed America, so I'm not interested in the Riano. The fact of the matter is that so Omuria Krana, they have reduced drastically any war, papa. Sabanya or tip power. Just after 4 years, you can lose all of these. The reason is that Abai Weber power no, and no be bring here Juma or Memuha. Institutions don't work. Abai Weber power no, Ghana institutions in here Juma. Okay? Ghana institutions that are supposed to fight corruption. Yoko. Yoko wouldn't be a more here. Yoko, a Juma Bakupen, a Yoko here. Yoko, Omo the Cheche boys, Sakawa boys, Papa, a friend saying, why transfer on a money transfer, you'll be a Sandusika. Oh, where's no here a friend saying, I don't yes, it's almost browse you, so I don't even know what. Yoko, you more yarn, so we can be able to account from person who's can. So, I'm between me and you, aha, Yoko, the human. Yoko, economic and organized crime unit of one. I also almost check say, and you may be cause of them they don't do. Yoko is just for harassing people, Sakawa boys, young boys. CID, which you are checking out, go through Criminal Investigation Department of Ghana Police. Human is also investigating crime now across women, especially in government agencies. Check now. And I say, I see the Guardian of you. Obi you be a trust at nigga for ye, Miss Bell, I call ye with hey, on the process here. BNI, yeah, the cheap political opponents. Political opponents like Yaba Power, Mungo Plus Ambra, Winwaba Power, Mungo Kevin Taylor Ambra, BNI Negumano on fighting corruption. Auditor General knows say you're politicizing on aye beans. Auditor General, you're so uncle leave. You're politicized or any other government will remove any Auditor General you put there. Special prosecutor, one can say Ghana, we're Ghana everywhere. So okay, Ghana for moment for your green. The special prosecutor has run away. So now, as we speak, there is nobody in this country who is fighting corruption or is going to fight corruption. The only people that are left to fight corruption are me and you. We are the only people left in this country to fight corruption and to point out the wrongs in the system. And so, you see, it is very amazing when people think that Martin Amidu is the wrong person. Ghana had the way a Kono Hano. So, Obi start so can't Kono, Ewa Bemua. I was saying, Nipana war Memu and Dini Panachi. Because Obi Nemba Nemamienu, Abrewa, bear 60 something years. And then Nemamienu, and then Nana with the 7 months or 6 months. Omuku Ria Guru, you don't put on some prison plus Aquarani. So, when we are talking about corruption, everybody must be interested. Now, there are some people who think that, oh, we have won the election, and those who are talking about corruption, hey. Intermediate Munyansa Kakra, Intermediate Jimiana. I hope we win the election. Many invitation to inauguration. Meko dinner, Ubekodi, Unyabi. But Jimmy, Intermediate Kazama Jimmy, I am no Unyabi, invitation Unyabi, young fellow. Ube whom you are dinner, the baby, Yamekobi. And I'm a peduma so I'm a come home, maybe. They say, Cronom, who do my yaya within 4 years, they say, there, pep pressure. What ya, I dear Unya, yes, or Unya, as with Jimmy, ya catch yourself. Yaya, you been your baby, ya catch yourself, was a hey, won't you ask it? Why do you, baby, Jimmy, now, made a young so, a year, Mamun did that, Naka women can say. Say, I mean, can wait in young women can say, what will be chairman said, we can't see. MVP for your moving election. Who ni mobia wo? Me mobia. Me a come in the mid da. Abubuado. Odi 4 years. Upon the 10 years. I come in the mid da. But your conscience never you it cannot be bought with material things. I was here agreeing on mine on who come. MVP for pressure your mom or mame her. And then your address will be a we sure said they want to fight with anybody. No. What the idea when you are buying about power more when you are doing and say, you be truly on. Oh, Yanko Ponyameba. When you're trolling, no, at 5. As for us, this country does not belong to us. He has won the election. We congratulate him. Why are there? We win the election. When Lusu is majority in parliament. Omubeye fetchere fetombe wiemu ase na beya ombenya majority in parliament no ko wi abano against NDC for ye beto abakra NDC for strong way but voter with your baby almost ho na abano kra ye nto what you say enti no we losing the majority in parliament nanka me pese NDC for win majority clear nanka see nu ketia ye speaker of parliament afi mo de kon no e Japan ade ba be fa ho me ya hwe ne de see nu ketia ye speaker of parliament nanka ade na Ghana no ya chamienu executive no ho legislature no ho And we have to put pressure on the governments for mine to call him. And I'm names are. When you say, why better? When you better, bleeding, you are better. And when you do when you my brain. Look at how ministers are falling. It is a clear indication that the people are telling you that and everybody, the institutions that I named, Yoko, CID, BNI, Auditor General, Special Prosecutor, all of these institutions, the only thing that they are looking for is Kwame Plus to do something so that they will go and arrest him. They will never fight corruption that is in the system. They will never support the president to fight corruption. The president himself won't support them to fight corruption. It doesn't work. And so the people of this country must rise up and do it by themselves. And we have the people. Omodi Akufo-Addo sees as president, we will love to fight. That is our whole life. It's about fighting. Yeah, our whole life is about fighting. We will love to fight. So immediately at Akufo-Addo basis, near congratulations, Nana, Abanwe the Edwesi so. His role in this country is to govern, and our role is to protest and to talk. That two things. Only the answer now, the Constitution says we must combat corruption, and we will combat it. Look, we have the people. We might tell a news conference, TVP news conference, a week election. By sending text messages across, we will put people on the street. And now, after that 1 year, the people have increased. So many people send us messages. Hey, TPP, we want to join. Hey, now the membership has increased and we are going to protect because the institutions won't work. So we are going to fight the corruption ourselves. Whether Akufo-Addo is the president or that one, no problem. And everybody who has a certain conscience must be part of it. Yes, and when we need today. When we know, you better know, I better now. I go for 4 years, and you're not best in Quay. I don't be 100 years. By 2022, and before move, we get the next flag bearer for my party now. Or you see Baumia, we see Alan, a bayan to quake, the our party. What are the movements in politics? A bayan to quite bigger, Alan, but a bayan to go party. So, me, no problem with who is in power. Maybe there is a member pressure. I have to be a citizen of this country. I have to protect my taxes. So if you don't want to do that job, and you are happy that people should steal your money, that is your own problem. But the Constitution says that we are police bet me at you, Matthias here, and the same Constitution says that we should combat corruption, and we have to do that. So I'm quite serious to buy any winner takes only one change. Like I bring at the bar, Ben when say you're winning the yen change. Now more change you'll be in a Juma or no yen a Juma no man or so no Namukata. When you have when you problem, that is at the end cost between 2021 and 2024. There, when time we need na moji this year na temporal. Now more MP before, when we say Akufo-Addo aya the papa be lasted. Oko dabon. Yana, okoya yana kama oko she boots say yellow say red. Kama. And your buy na ya was in this year. Mumu dia na e be temporal because ejimi for no doors on the party. Muta ya denya bibi baba ah. Woni MPP deal a e te say woni asamojan deal wan say penalty a obese go e wo bo we den bibi besi either so obese penalty and so obenya clear chance obebo atu akini e te den a ne ho asem beba MPP for mu guys ade na mu ye no. So you didn't win anything. We have reduced your majority in parliament. We have reduced the votes that you got. We have put you through a struggle to win the election. And it has been done by all the people who were constantly accusing you of everything and talking about everything in the country. It includes the Manasseh, the Kwame Mensah, the your friend is saying Franklin Kujo, your friend is saying Kofi Benson, everybody. And the ordinary people on social media who were against this, they voted against you. And we are going to arise as the youth of this country to fight. Akufo-Addo then obey a popular opinion because he was fighting with Rollins. Because Obi was only near the only bit Rollins. Obi no memu ha or 2 about for free SHS and no much I buy no one free lights in the history of this country, free water. but still nkopon person mutu e ka de mo wiemu a against na me de wiemu de I me de ndc for so bia na na pen ndc for na 2012 no e say 50 something vote is 50,000 mo wie musu mo wia me de atika omo wia ndc for so court but it doesn't end there. The fact that Akufo-Addo has won, it doesn't end there. Everybody must be part. But me, I can promise you, I can promise you something. Me, I can promise you something. Between 2021 and 2024, there are two things that all of us must pray for. Say, Nanado Abayano, Ebekoye, and the issues we see in the past 4 years, these are the things that we have to pray for. Yen odie okonfoboni otil kro bi mu se kro be gunegu ono so timu bi enti yem mom paye se Akufo-Addo enim ngu ase anasa na ban no menko yie yem pese ye be kasa ya bre enti ye yem anka this last year 4 years yake Akufo-Addo dey be ye be different in terms of corruption free no Ghana for achiro say free na for si ba dia Ghana for achiro very clear so say be ye free dey na wa problem Ghana for making it very clear say that free na your nonsense Ghana for actually say, Omupe Abanya obe fight corruption because as a president, every budget will go where it has to go. The budget that is meant for agric will go to agric ministry. For education will go to it. For health will go to health. What the problem is in this country is government spending and corruption. And the people of this country are looking for a government that has the will to fight corruption. And you know, Yebonpaya Mananado say this second term, no, we do not have to talk. We don't want to talk. We are wishing that Nanado Abayano, Ebekoye, issues see first 4 years, no, Nanado, you yourself, you have to have a legacy for yourself. You need a legacy for yourself, Nana. Wow, legacy. Say me Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo be president no ade we nam do ye Ghana for actually say free SHS no enye nom de to aba enti no say hwehwe ade bi a we a obiara de bebo wudin papa aha say free SHS no mo pepa anka ba no ka we ni be 54% 55% eno enka ho yifrim these 4 years I wish Nana well and I'm a bomb pie say we do not have to talk, but if it happens that we have to talk, that we have to protest, I can promise you that it is going to be very, very chaotic. We are going to put many thousands of people, in fact hundreds of thousands. No individual, no function trim say, Waba Ben we say MPP are willing to know more bet one and we and so another movie your mind with impudence, with arrogance. Young kind Yoko names our special prosecutor and we're gonna we will deal with it on the streets. I'm telling everybody, the Constitution allows us to do that. And we have the people. And this is the era of social media. It is just text message away. And we have the people in your own, in this country, to help us to do that. We have the men, we have the people to finance it. Look, there are so many people in this country who are ready. If it continues like this, we are going to fight. That's not the fight I'm talking about. But we are going to combat corruption just as the Constitution says. And you know, say, what's your name? Na enyoma bebre nkoye. Na so obi kan mo MP formina MP. Ohwe no say dabi mo constituency elections no konu wom dodo e na me di we aba e na obi antumi yahwe e na say what's your independent. The formina MP is the only independent candidate, I guess, in parliament. And he's the most powerful person right now. He is going to make the decisions. It means that what we have been saying every day is what we have to be preparing for 2024. We have to have many independent candidates in parliament. Even if we have 6, near to the big 6, we have to bring back the big 6. We must bring back the big 6. And these big 6, at least there should be 6 constituencies that are independent, that will be in parliament, that will fight for the right things to be done. In MPP 4, NDC 4, the Speaker of Parliament, we want an independent-minded person, or no mere Speaker of Parliament. Now, or no leading parliament business. So many things must change in this country, and nobody must give up. One for me na MP no, your pamon name say no money. Your pamono, you win any more say, yesi. When there be a for me na MP no, Ojina, he's the most powerful person in Ghana today. So nobody must give up. We have to make a name in this country. We have to save this country. Nobody must give up. Nobody must feel bad. The prayer is not for NDC to come to power, MPP to come to power. The prayer is for us to be able to fight corruption ourselves, irrespective of who is in power. John Mahama about power and corruption by war. We'll be going to sleep to say occupy Ghana. John Mahama what power? Omu ye de sa Christian Council. Ombe de sa na John Mahama no corrupt Ombe de sa John Mahama fee power Akufo-Addo by no my din omo kasa bi. Is that what we are going to do? Say Akufo-Addo John Mahama win here nka no ano ya din. No, whoever is in power, we must fight corruption. We must fight it. Everybody must be part of it. If you don't want to be part of it, you can go. But all of us must come together and fight. Because the institutions won't fight it. The institutions does not work. And you see, if you are a very smart person, you know that from 2021 to 2024, anything that I do in terms of protest and everything, I will get many supporters. Because they will be fighting in MPP for who takes over. And NDC too will support so that the government will become unpopular. And at the end of the day, it will send a very good signal to the independent voter. So me, I'm standing there. I'm a very happy person. These 4 years, I'm going to come walk room, because look, at the end of the day, life is an eternal struggle. And I love the fight. If you say John Dumelo say John, and then one can stand a MP, I will vote a baby. Now we call a East Legon. I say I want the challenge, and I love the challenge. I love the fight. So we are wishing Nana Akufo-Addo well. We are praying that Obaya Ghana ye ama ye nyina ye ho atoye ne ye peno no ye bompaye ma no. No say nkofo bi na Akufo-Addo obewu da bi sankwase asem no munya keka e jimi kasa e jimie Akufo-Addo wu a onkosi nsaman kwan ho obi abewu bi e jimie kasa ade e peso owu wo krom ha e ye corruption wo bompaye say corruption ni ya hwehwe corruption ni yenku no yentumi nkunu kura yen krepo no ntena wheelchair me we say ano abrase kakra because omu wiya sika dodo empanifo no wiya sika no dodo obi enkasa akwara koye onyi omu browse omu ye oye na client send no sika ba akopɛ na yoko tan tata no esu yoko ntumi nchi akonfo na wokuru ha no omu ankasa ja akonfo no nchi omu. We have to come together and fight it. That is what we have to fight. And no say ebon pai say enwu not Akufo-Addo yesrem kwatenten ma no. Yes, rest and Yakopon Hoba. Yes, rest say on your my Ghana, Krabeshe Mayan, Nina Jai Casano Bian. Now, anything less than that. It is going to be a very interesting 4 years. Very interesting. We have the people. When we put 100,000 people on the street, everything will cease, and we can do it. We do not want to do it. We do not want, we wish we